Hello and welcome to Office 8's new video. In this video, I'll show you a new technique using ChatGPT. We know AI making a revelation. Everywhere AI is taking place of old tools. Uh, Before this day or before 2 days, I used this website instantdomainsearch.com to get a new domain idea. For example, I'm looking for a domain name related to food. Normally what we do when we search for a domain, we come to this type of platform and search our instant term, for example food. Then it suggests so many domain names. You can click here, read more, then you will find so many food names, and you can see that most of those are booked here and some are available to buy, but those are not very eye-catchy or brandy or attractive name. So in this case, finding a better domain name is really hard. But as AI making everything easy, ChatGPT has a feature that will help you to find a new domain name very easily. To do that, you have to open ChatGPT like this one. Then you just have to talk all your problems or all your information or related to your new website, your plan, to ChatGPT, then this will give you a best result. I have an experience on this and I'm saying based on that experience. So for example, let's see you are going to make an website on comparison of two things, for examples, two cities. So I just give the ChatGPT that type of information that suggests me some domain names related to website or blog that will publish comparative articles on different cities. So just click here. You'll see that so many domain names will be given that are really amazing. The 10 is suggested here. Citycomparison.net, amazing website. You couldn't have imagined this type of name can be chosen. Or urban versus, the name is really premium. Metro matchup, town tussle, local lens, city showdowns, urban rivalries, place pit shop. So many names are given here. I know all of those are not available, but you will find many of them are available to buy. So this is available. You can see the premium name Urban Versus is available. So you can pick this domain name for your next blog. You can see Town Tussle. You will see the alliteration T and T, and you will make a good brand of your website. This is a brand name also. Town Tussle is also available. You can take this domain name also. I can show you another example. So this is another message that I write to ChatGPT that suggests me some domain names that fits best with a blog where I'll publish contents about spray paint. You just have to reveal your ideas, or you just have to reveal your content type or your next plan to ChatGPT and ask him to suggest you some domains. Then you will see some amazing results. So let's wait for the result. I'm waiting for really amazing. Can control means can, the spray paint can, the spray paints comes with can. So can control, the spray paint painters, paint art, artistry, all those are available. Maybe some of those are not available, but many of them will be available. You can see this is available. Cancontrol.net is also available. So if you think that you just want .com domain suggestion, or you just want .net domain suggestion, or you just want .io domain suggestion, domain extension, then you can mention here. In this way, you can customize, you can say your interest to ChatGPT. I hope this technique will help you in so many ways in your next blog planning, or in your next website planning, in your next domain name search, in your next business website. I hope this tutorial help you a lot to get an amazing result or some amazing domain name suggestion that will fit best for your next website. If you think that this content helps you a little bit, then don't forget to give your thumbs up, or just say your opinion below in comment. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video.